Shalom, welcome back. This video is highly requested. Ginger tea. Not just any ginger tea, but did you know ginger has a lot of properties that can cure flu, cold, COVID-19. This can also help you even with high blood pressure. And let me not forget mucus. So let's get into it. You're gonna need fresh ginger. Now you can use as much as you want, but as you can see here, I have at least 4 cloves of ginger. All I'm going to do is chop this up. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, because you will definitely enjoy all of the recipes that I have in store. And since this one is requested, I'll be coming out with more that can help you through this cold and flu season. Once you're done chopping these up, you're just going to place them in a pot. And from here, after you place them in a pot, you're going to fill the pot up with some filtered water. Okay? Make sure it's filtered water and not water from the sink. Go ahead and turn on your stove, and you're going to let this boil for 10 minutes. So as you can see, I'm adding the water. And now this definitely can go for home remedies that you can even give your kids. And your kids will probably maybe shy a little bit away from it. But a quick tip to that is adding ginger ale to it. If definitely they have an upset stomach. So a little bit of this ginger tea along with some ginger ale will go a long way. Trust me. So after you're done letting this boil for approximately 10 minutes, because you want to extract all of the flavors out of the ginger into the water, you can then remove it from the stove. And you're going to keep it on medium temperature, by the way. And once that's done, go ahead and take it off the stove. And now we're going to put this in a blender. Now I'm going to be dumping all of the water and the ginger into the blender. I apologize for the foggy camera shot at that point. Camera was a little close, but you get the gist. And then what we're going to do is we're going to blend this until it's finely diced. You can blend it on high, and that's what I'm showing you here. And if so, you can even add a little bit of extra water into this if you start to see that it's a little thicker than what it's supposed to be. Because this is supposed to be a little loose, but a little thick. So I did add just a little bit of water and blended that alongside. Now at this point, it is still warm. It is still hot, as you can see the steam coming from out the blender. You can have this tea either hot or cold, but because it is still warm over here where I'm at, I'm gonna make this into a ginger iced tea. So what you want to do is you want to take a pitcher and a strainer. And you want to go ahead and pour all of that goodness, that ginger, right into the strainer so you can extract the juice. Now, don't throw out the leftover ginger. I guess you just have to stay tuned to see what I do with the leftover ginger, but don't throw that out because nothing goes to waste. So now what you're going to do is you're just going to push down on the ginger, as you could see that I'm about to do in just a few moments. Because I want to extract all of the juices that's within this ginger and make sure I'm getting every single last bit and drop. And as you can continue to push down, you will extract more juice out of the ginger. Again, don't throw away this pulp because it can be used for multiple reasons. I'm just going to give you one. That ginger pulp is kind of like ginger paste. You can use that in salad dressings and so forth. But again, you got to continue to watch my videos to see what I do with it next. And after you've extracted all of the juice out of the pulp and the ginger, you should have something like this, which you can drink this as of right now, or you can mix it with lemon, peppermint, anything that you desire, even turmeric. But I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of sugar in this. You can use monk fruit sugar, which is considerably not sugar, but it's a sweetener. And then give it a quick stir. Or you can even add honey to this, especially if you're dealing with a cold or flu. I would definitely strongly suggest to have it hot with honey. But as you can see here, I'm making it iced. So I'm dumping in some filtered water along with some ice. And when I tell you guys, my complete kitchen smells like ginger right now. The aroma is unthinkable. It's beautiful and it smells so divine. And once you've stirred that up, give it a quick taste to make sure it's to your sweetness. And once you have that all together, give it a quick stir. And once that's done, you'll go ahead and enjoy your drink. And as you can see, I'm just going to put on the lid, pour me a glass, and then put a little garnishment on it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay strong, stay healthy, stay in the spirit. And with that, I will see you in the next video. Shalom.